Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I'm so excited because it's EZ3's birthday from LV Handcrafted. So happy 1-year birthday. And I have a sale for you. So use code VonMarie B2GO, and that means that you can get this fall commemorative sheet free with purchase. And I'm going to show you what I made with this special sheet, and it has my it has the grands on there, the cute grands from this release, from July 5th release, and that was a Christmas one, but this is the fall edition. I'm in charge of fall and I'm so excited. I love fall. So we're going to make 3 cards today, but let me tell you, during these 3 cards, I'm going to tell you you'll get this sheet free, and it is only a 48-hour sale only, so I really want you to get it. So let's make a square card. This is a 4x4 card, and my glue is dry, of course, or not dry, just plugged. And I have a card base here. I picked out some green paper. Just behind me I have a bunch of colors of cut up paper. So this one worked out well. So I am using this green for this card. And of course, I'm thinking olive green's my favorite right now, but you know, I love all green. And just loving this cute release. And so I cut out this brown circle, and it's from the Ultimate Snow Globe. Let me see what the full name of that is. The Ultimate Snow Globe Shaker die set that's at the Not Too Shabby shop. And I love using the circles. Well, I use everything from that set. I think the only thing I haven't used was the snowman, maybe, I don't know. I'll have to change that. But I'm going to put these 2 images that I fussy cut diagonally, kind of, and I'm going to try and pretend that it's like behind him, the apples, maybe where he picked them because he has a basket of apples near him also. And his cup says "Hello Pumpkin." So it's super cute, and then it says hay rides, cider, pumpkins, and they're all going the same way, which is cute. Yeah, and so I cut out pieces using the EZ3 Wonder die because that goes with the fall commemorative sheet. But of course you can cut everything out however you want. Just print it and have fun with it. I'm going to tuck this banner die cut behind this guy here, and I thought that was cute. Then I'm going to add a sentiment. So I cut out my sentiments with the Ultimate Sentiments die set, and so I was able to just cut both strips and line it up and cut them all out at the same time, even though they're side by side. So yeah, that was fun and easy. And look how fun this card is. And I'm not going to add any embellishments to that. Maybe I have some clay apples or something. But how cute is this? So this one is going to be a little mini snow globe. Just like a little fun, well, you can make it an ornament if you want to, or make it to hang on something. It can be a tag. So I love all the ideas, and that again is from that Ultimate Snow Globe Shaker die set. And I'm just gluing the bottom of the circle. I used one of the smaller circles, as you see there on my desk, and then I cut it out again in the yellow that matches. And I'm just going to glue the backings so it looks more seamless. And I didn't even need to do this because I changed my mind what I was going to do with this. I was just going to leave it as is, but I changed my mind, and that happens a lot because Just like Lynn, I'm a little obsessed, and probably with some of you, you can relate, a little obsessed with ATC cards right now. And well, I hope it's not just right now, but so I'm wondering if this can fit on an ATC card. So I grabbed one of the ones I have finished, and here's the back of it, and it fits perfect on there. And then I'm so excited, so I'm like, okay, well, that's what I'm going to do. And I wish this kind of was live, because I talk to myself so much when I'm making the cards. And so I'm grabbing out my favorite Whimsy stamps. ATC window. It's a slimline ATC Windows die, and I can put that down below as I have an affiliate link for Whimsy stamps as well. And so this big die will cut out 2 of the 2.5 by 3.5 rectangles, and which is perfect, but I only need 1, and so I'm just going to use this blue sheet because I grabbed it from behind me and it's not long enough to do this slimline, so we'll just use the 1, and there it is. So I think it's cute. I think it looks kind of fun with blue because it's fall, but you know, blue I think can be fall as well. So using that, and then I was wondering if the sentiment could cut out the sentiment strip already, but it didn't really look. You probably could, but I think it would be a little short. So I'm just going to use my paper trimmer and use the sentiment that says Autumn Blessings. And on top of the circle here, you can kind of see it says blankets, cider, and good comfort. And then it says cozy happens here. She has her pumpkin latte, pumpkin spice latte. I don't know. She's so cute with her blanket and her lantern. And so, and then I found this circle die cut to the side. And so I'm going to use this holographic scalloped, and I'm just showing you all the other pieces. And so very cute. So I hope you get this sheet free because it's 48 hours and it's my time to promote this fall sheet, because Kristen did a summer, and all my other friends like Barbara and Reagan, they are doing other months, and Lynn did 4th of July. So that's really fun. So hopefully you got that one. And so just putting it down, and it's so cute. I love this ATC card. I might have to keep it. I'm in 2 groups right now, so I have to send those out hopefully in a couple days, within a couple days here. So I'm just using some residue ink from my blending brush. It's a little brown ink, just to add a little something to this sentiment. And then I will add some sequins. I've been a little worried if my sequins will stay on, so I'll try and just play with them a little bit, and hopefully one or doesn't fall off for all of them. So that is what I'm looking for. I was looking for those behind me, and this sequin mix is just one that's retired and has a bunch of colors in it, and it was from like a Sparkle Blends. Let me see, do I have it on my desk still? Yes, so it was from, I don't know if you remember Doodle's Paper Playground, but I love her Sparkle Blends. This one's called a Queen's Best Friend and has a bunch of different colors in there. And so just using my tool here, and I will put 3 embellishments, and I could have put some of Not Too Shabby's sparkle enamel dots, but I'm going to hoard those for other things. And and why not? I have a whole box, I mean not box, but like bin full of like embellishments, so just use what I have here. So super cute, I love that. So 2 down, 1 to go, and this one is my favorite. Yay! As Jamie and Charlie, as Julie, as Reagan. Oh yeah, Julie has a sheet too, as Barbara, me, and Kristen. And that would be so fun if we all had coffee together or tea. So let's go ahead and put this A2 card together. I did use the EZ Wonder Die 3, and I am just gluing a brown panel here, and it's going to show 2 white areas there, which is fine because I'm not going for perfect here, and it was a little short, and that's okay, it works out. And I'm just going to glue my postage pieces on. So again, the code to get that free printable is vonmariedesign So, and that's offer buy an EZ Printable, get one free, so like a BOGO type deal. Expires July 17th, so make sure you grab it. I can't wait to see what you make with it. I'm so excited when I see your designs, and if you tag me, oh my gosh, that just makes my day. So thank you to my friends. Thank you, friends. And I love this event that Lynn has pulled off. So cute. So stay tuned for all the others to post when their sale and sheet comes out. So pushing on everybody, like Kristen said, pushing on your heads. Sorry for pushing on your heads, guys. I just want it to stay on my card, your faces, your pretty faces. And so cute. So we have a sentiment, and it's going to say pumpkin spice and surviving, and it should be pumpkin spice and barely surviving. I need more pumpkin spice here. And I can't wait till pumpkin spice season. We are in summer and we're doing fall here, but also we do Christmas cards. So all the seasons are welcomed. And just gluing this postage on. If you have any questions, leave me a comment. I'm going to ask you which one is your favorite. So tell me down below as well. And if you're not subscribing, please subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed yet. Like, and sure, I would love it if you shared. Okay, super cute. So here I'm adding some sequins, some gold glitter sequins to this card. And that finishes these 3 cards. Yay! I'm so excited. So which one is your favorite? I love the ATC card. So cute. And I love all 3. They're all so great. So thank you for joining me today, and have a wonderful day.